guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Thursday, and I woke up like couple minutes after 12. Made my smoothie. Now I'm preparing some food. So this is gonna be for dinner, breakfast, lunch, and dinner because I'm going to work in the evening. So may I try hurry up and do what I gotta do. So I'm cooking some salt mackerel. Wow, I have to turn on this fire because I smell this oil so hot. I'm gonna open the door a little. Whoa, in here so hot. If you don't have the AC on. Yeah, so I'm cooking some salt mackerel, dumpling, banana, Irish potato, sweet potato, and yum. So I'm gonna put the seasoning in the pot now. I love when I'm eating my salt mackerel. I love a whole heap of onion. Yeah. I love my whole heap of onion for my food. Don't know what I'm going. You can see? Yeah, so I'm cooking at a deep pot here because I don't want to dirty up my whole heap of pot. So the same pot when I boil the salt mackerel in it. Yeah, it may cook up the salt mackerel in it now. So I think this done. Yeah, the food pot done over here so. Turn that off. Yeah, today I want today to be a very productive day. So I'm just so what I'm going to start doing now, I do it but not as often. So like prepare my work stuff so I don't have to wake up in the morning and iron and all of that because that take up a lot of time. And you know I'm a makeup queen already, so that even I gonna take up more time. So when I finish doing this now, I iron out my work blouse them already. When I finish cooking up the salt mackerel, I'm going to clean off my work shoes, get a proper clean off. Because I bought my sneakers the other day. I'm gonna want to get discolored. So yeah, I'm gonna deal with that. Mackerel I need a whole heap of something. All I do is just tip a little black pepper on it, sprinkle a little black pepper. Yeah. You know your onion, your scallion and sweet pepper in it already. So that is enough flavor for that. And you can add a little ketchup to it. Just like put a little ketchup. It's not mandatory. If you want to put ketchup, you can put ketchup. But it's not a must. Just a little. Guys, my fright now while ago, I think I done my gas done. I say what? So my gas done already. But anyway, yeah. So when food done, I'll see you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna spread my bed, you know. Spread up my bed. You see, if you don't wake up and get things done early, your chores or whatever plans you have prepare for the day just run off like nothing. Let me realize. I've been noticing that from the other day. If you don't prepare yourself to get done what you have to do, the day just gone upon you like soup. Bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it. Alright. Finish spread the bed. Give also sweep out. Cause my house clean. So I'm just get a sweep out. And then I go outside to clean off my shoe. So guys, I hope that you're being productive and getting the things done that you want to do. I was contemplating on getting my hair done today, but I don't know yet, yeah. But I'm waiting on Babe to come back because he went on the road. So we're going in town to get my hair product, and maybe nobody I do it today, but further down in the week. But transformation is coming. You know I'm the transformation queen. So I'm gonna change up my looks again. Yeah. So look out for that. But I hope you guys are being productive, staying consistent, being true to yourself, stay in your own lane, keeping motivated. As I'm gonna say, don't listen to the haters them. Just focus on you. Focus on your growth. Let the haters them focus on you, because of course you're a queen. You're an icon. So let them focus on you. So I'm gonna go outside now, get my shoes clean, and then when I'm eating dinner, I will check in back with you. Go girl, I'm in a top so go girl, go girl, go girl, touching road from the land and the ground. Hey, 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 me bless, me bless, me bless, 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 me bless. Me bless, me bless, bless, bless. Me nah no stress, no stress, no stress, stress, stress. Call me bless, me bless, me bless, bless, bless. Yeah, tell yourself that you're blessed and highly favored. Yeah, queen. You go, queen. Alright, guys. So this is dinner. Food is finally ready. I'm going to dive in now. God bless it and that keep it, cook it, provide for it. This food nourish and bless our body. Them pure and nice, babe. Time I fly fast, man. After 2 already. I love my salt mackerel. I'm gonna have a salt mackerel in my fridge so long. Just say yeah.
Yeah, my day man.
Today day for cooking.
I decided that boy you play every day. I decided I play every day and I did so easy, brother. Boy, it's so freaky, man.
Guys, we're here at the laundromat. Getting our clothes clean. Okay, so I am finished, so I'm gonna use this. I use this to, you know, spray my bathroom, so keep it fresh and nice. And that's it for my bathroom. I'm gonna put in back the mat now, but the mat is outside. Yep, pretty much it. Yeah, come on, take care. I got my leg cramp up on me. No, sir. Alright, so we reach. Thank you. Let me take up on basket. But we reach. May come for one something. I'm fine. Whole heap of something. What me need, you know. Alright, so this may buy. Yep, this is what I come for. $15 fee. This one come for. Alright guys, so I have the spots here that I'm going to clean up right now. I also went to Foster's and I bought this festival mix. Yeah, so we're gonna do some festival and spots. So I'm gonna clean them up quick and fast right now. Yeah. Literally late in the night. It's currently what? Almost 12 o'clock now. So I'm about to do my hair and transform it. Yeah, because remember I told you earlier in the vlog that I was going to change my hair. So I'm about to get that started right now. Wow, I'm so excited for it's gonna look. But I'm the transform diva. Okay, transforming diva. So let's get into this. Alright guys, so this is what came in the box. So you know you have the cream and this is the serum, the black dye serum. So you're gonna shake it well, mix it with the cream. I got a conditioner and the neutralizing shampoo. Yeah, neutralizing shampoo, and I also got a protective base to put around my hairline. So I'm gonna get started and then I'll show you when I'm finished. Hi guys, I literally just coming from work. I'm tired like crazy. Tired can't done. But I'm gonna start cook the peas, you know, cause tomorrow Sunday and I'm gonna cook something nice tomorrow. Like some French fried chicken. I'm gonna have some French fried chicken and some curry goat. I'm not sure yet, but I want to start cook the peas right now. I'm tired guys. I'm tired. I'm tired now. I'm tired can't done. But a woman gotta do what she gotta do. So yeah, but I hope you guys are okay, keeping blessed and prayed up, and you know, enjoying life and give God all the honor and the glory, because I have to do that. So I will check in back with you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll get things done what I have to do. Alright, bye. Guys, so today is Sunday. Doing some baked chicken. I wanted to do fried chicken, but I changed my mind. I just do some baked chicken and rice and peas. So I'm gonna put in the rice in a pot and I want the coconut milk don't boil and everything. So yeah. Alright guys, some vegetable here. It's well shelly and nice. And I oven. Alright guys, so I'm going to eat my food right now. I'm hungry. Finally me done cook, so I'm gonna eat right now and start get ready for work. So I'll see you guys.
Never gave up.
Right.
So that's kind of like our testimony.
Hi guys, so today is Sunday and this is me in bed relaxing, having some popcorn and also a Kisco. Yeah, I just took a shower and I need some relaxation, so I'm just watching some videos on YouTube and just call it a night and just relax myself, because trust me, I work hard. I go hard. So this is me here chilling and enjoying my beautiful body. So I hope you guys have a lovely day. I did. My feet are aching, but what I'm gonna do tomorrow is use my foot spa and just relax my feet in tomorrow. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and I want to go to beach so bad. I'm supposed to go to beach from Owen and I never get to go, so I want to go to beach tomorrow or Tuesday when I'm off, not sure. Yeah. But you guys, when you're watching the video, like the video, give the video a thumbs up, okay? I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for your continuous support. Thank you. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you and I'm grateful for you guys. So I'm just gonna call it a night. I will see you guys in the morning. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Tuesday. We're heading out on the road now. We're gonna run some errands and I'm going to the beach as well. Yeah, I'm gonna chillax myself and enjoy my day. Oh yeah, hot daddy. So today I'm relaxing and enjoying the day. I'm gonna fill out myself with no housework. Yeah guys, so we're head out right now. We wake up from what? After 10? After 10 we wake up, or after 9? I think after 10. So today is the day. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. So let's go. I'm gonna take you along with me, of course. You know, I love carrying on back of me down. Babe, look at it, don't it tell you? It's a big clear come. Never have no washing to do because I washed on Friday already, which is good. Good for me. We just changed my sheet today. That's alright guys, so finally checking in back. We did a few errands already, so now we are in Georgetown Babe went to do something, so I'm just waiting on him because I can't bother come out in the sun. I stay in the AC. So I'm in the car waiting on him to get back, and then we will be heading somewhere else and then to the beach. We're gonna do a little shopping too. Yeah, we're gonna pick up a few little things and then we'll go to the beach. I've been longing to go to the beach forever. Listen, it's like, as a female, as a good female who always are clean and, you know, have your thing organized and things going on, it's okay to not kill out yourself and with housework. It's okay. I'm trying to tell myself that it's okay not to overwork or this have to do in the house, that have to do. Sometimes you have to just ignore the things them. I don't mean say your house are gonna stay dirty and untidy, you know, but I mean sometimes you have to just ignore certain things and just enjoy your day. Because if you follow housework, trust me, it take up the entire day and you don't get to relax yourself, you don't get to pamper yourself or do no self-care or anything like that. So that is what I have to do today. But I washed my bathroom Friday, so I changed my sheet today, my sheet set. So yeah, and that's it. My house tidy. But I just need to go home back now, go sweep out and wipe out, and that's it. I not do nothing much. And just like a fresh up of a bathroom. I not kill out myself, trust me. I've been doing this too long to feel guilty if me no like speak and span whatever. Yeah, sometimes you have to just ignore and just take a day for yourself and relax your man. Because it's not easy when you work and then you have housework for doing something. It's not easy at all, and trust me, I work hard. Until I say I work hard. So I take a day for myself today and enjoy myself. Alright guys, so I'm going to get a swimsuit. I want a swimsuit to wear under my cover up because I want to take some bombshell photos. Yeah. So I'm going to a store now. You're sexy. Hi. How are you?
Good, madam. You?
May I look a swimsuit?
Okay. Yes, right here.
Wow, look at them. Ooh, nice. Backside. Mounted piece. Two-piece more, I don't want no. Oh, this nice. It's a big old bag here.
Drink.
Pepsi.
Pepsi. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Please put forward.
We are at the beach now. Look at my shit. my gosh, guys, this is long overdue for me to come to the beach. Trust me, water so good. Water feels so good. Oh my, I didn't know that they're doing camping down here. So yeah, they have the tents out and everything. They're doing camping and wow, it looks so much fun. Which part you gonna? Alright. But how are you liking my swim fit though? Not even shown right there. This is my swim fit. Yeah. Boy. Woo. That feels so good. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to come to the beach for so long. So much excitement down here, and we have a lot of cruise ships on island. So like everybody's out having fun. Let me show you what's going on. Now we're at Governor Square Beach. Yeah. So this is all the activity that is going on. Lots of tents up there. Red sail ship down there. Everybody just out. Summer starts. Summer starts right now. Yeah. Hey guys, oh, I'm here enjoying myself in the water. Wow, them waves here are rough though. These waves are rough. Boy.
No tenemos tiempo para en la calle. La está llena. Mi mamá dijo
Guys, man, I enjoy myself, so I'm checking back with you later. Peace out.